Hi, my name is Ashraf Patel, member of Catalyst 2030, and totally delighted to be part of the Learning Planet Festival to celebrate International Education Day with you all. I'm also co-founder of Prava and Community the Youth Collective, two organizations that have been shaping inside-out youth leadership field in India for many years. Although a lot of work has happened on youth leadership and youth work over the past many years in India and across the world, we clearly believe that now we need a systemic engagement on youth work and well-being. If we have to seriously address issues of conflict, inequality and ecological decline that we are facing across the world. So far, most youth programs and policy initiatives have often focused on the economic dimension. We really need to come together and focus also on the psychosocial dimension of youth leadership. To look at youth leadership together in this systemic way, Ashoka Innovators of Public and Community the Youth Collective came together and brought 100 organizations from across different sectors to create what is called the Varta Leap Coalition. Varta means dialogue, Leap means to leap across boundaries. The whole purpose of this coalition is to bring people who come across different sectors from different spaces, and they may be youth engaging or not youth engaging, but they all are interested in investing in youth leadership because they understand this is the way to make change. The mission of this coalition is every youth a Jagrik and every space nurturing Jagrik. A little bit about Jagrik, it's a word that we've coined. It's a combination of a couple of Hindi words, and it means a self-awakened, active citizen who also awakens others. This also speaks to the byline of this conference, which is learning to take care of oneself, others and the planet. A Jagrik is really this kind of person. How the Varta Leap Coalition works, we work by coming together in collaboratives. A number of innovations are co-designed, piloted and then taken to scale through the engagement of collective members and beyond. We also work and are working towards building the narrative around youth leadership and youth work to create a more inclusive society. I would like to bring here Kanika, welcome her, Kanika Sinha. She's the convener of Community the Youth Collective and anchoring the Varta Leap Coalition to present to you one such wonderful initiative which we think is very important for today's.
We are well aware of the epic role that young people have played in recent times in India and across the world. Whether it was the COVID crisis or the climate crisis, young people have been stepping out and stepping up to bring about change. With the role that young people are playing in our minds, as well as India's demographic context, we felt it was time to now focus on youth duties and rights as distinct from but inspired by and aligned to constitutional duties and rights, much like we have done with child rights in the child rights movement. We need to now move beyond lip service and need to create an enabling space, context, and narrative for young people's leadership to thrive and for young people to take charge of nation building. We have come up with this framework of youth duties and rights, which highlights the role that young people need to play in nation building, but it also highlights the role that adults have to play in creating that context for them and creating enabling spaces for them. So this is an intergenerational framework that is really a partnership and collaboration between young people as well as adults and youth engagers. The Youth Duties and Rights Draft Declaration has been co-created by over 100 members of the Varta Leap Coalition, and it follows an open architecture model that many people have contributed to since then and continue to do so. The duties and rights have been framed as complementary. And of the many that we identified, we zeroed in on or really identified the three most critical combinations, which I'd like to share with you now. The first duty and right combination refers to the duty for young people to take leadership in every space and sphere. However, for that to happen, they must also have the right to decision making in every space and sphere. Our next combination is around young people's duty to promote harmony and fraternity by building diverse relationships. And for that, they must have the right to enabling spaces that encourage discovery of self and society. And finally, our third combination refers to a young person's duty to volunteer and act within their community to bring about change. But for that, they must also have the right to sustainable livelihood opportunities, as well as entrepreneurial opportunities that are aligned to their aspirations. We feel this framework is relevant across the world, and we would like to bring it to the discussion on youth rights at this festival, as we feel it may offer a systemic layer to the conversation. We see this as our contribution, and we hope to be able to build this agenda with all of you. We invite the participation, contribution, and co-leadership of the Learning Planet community to join us to strengthen this mission and bring us closer to learning to take care of oneself, others, and the planet. Thank you.